Good morning, everyone. Amy here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here. If you are returning, I greatly appreciate all of your support. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me today. And I look forward to hearing from you down in the comments. So let me know if this is your first time to my channel. So I'm doing a couple of coasters today. That first color is Arteza's Pearl Sapphire. Love this color, but unfortunately I'm in Canada and Arteza paints are really hard to get here, or they're super expensive. This color is DecoArt's Copper. This is Amsterdam's Greyish Blue. I love blue and copper together. Definitely a great combination. If you haven't tried it before and are a fluid artist, definitely give it a try. This is Amsterdam's Brilliant Blue. I wanted a couple of different shades of blue along with the earthy copper, and I add in some gold as well right here. So this is DecoArt's 24 karat. And I mixed in a little bit of the Golden's Iridescent Gold Fine just to give it an even more beautiful, shimmery sparkle. And I am swiping with 1 part Amsterdam Titanium White and 3 parts Australian Floetrol. I love doing coasters this way. So I do a set of 4 here. Oops, and yeah, I forgot that happened. So my coaster slid off, but landed absolutely perfect. Perfectly flat. Nothing got destroyed, thank goodness. And it was because I didn't clean off my mat well enough, as you can see. So after I did this set of coasters, I cleaned off my silicone mat a little bit better, made sure that everything was sticking well. So, and here's the close-up of the first one. Like I said, I really love these colors together. I love bright colors, but I also love earthy colors, and I like to try and mix them up in my pieces. All right, so I am going to put on some music, and I do a special extra little piece at the very end. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. It's functional art as well. It is a hot plate in the same colors. So yeah, let's put on some tunes, and I'll see you at the close-up. Before we do that though, let me tell you how you can get in contact with me. So my website is amysacrylicartistry.com. You can also find me on Instagram at anxiousamy_IG, and you can send me an email at amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com for any collaborations, or if you're looking for some custom pieces, send me an email. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. We'll see you at the close-up.
Know you're on a roll.
All right, and here are the wet results of these coasters and the hot plate that I did. I have not yet resined these, however, that is the plan. I don't resin during the winter, and like I said, I'm here in Ontario, Canada, and so it's very cold right now, and I do my resin inside and like to have the windows open with a cross breeze. So right now that just is not feasible unless I want to freeze, and also the temperature of the room needs to be at an optimum, so when it's cold, it's not the greatest time to resin. I love the results of these coasters. Like I said, the earthy tones with the blues are really, really pretty. And I've used these colors in the past, and once I get a coat of resin on these, I know they're going to be absolutely beautiful. Probably to the point that I don't want to sell them, but they will be for sale. If you're interested, please send me an email at amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com. I will be selling the hot plates separately as well. I do have some craft shows coming up, so if you're interested, please let me know ASAP, because I will be taking these with me. All right, thank you so very much for joining me today. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you so very much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that. I'm so very close to 1,000 subscribers. And if you would like to leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think of these colors and of these coasters and this hot plate. Let's see, if you've made it this far, I would love if you would leave me some blue hearts down in the comments to let me know that you have watched my video to the end. So again, thank you so very much for watching. Take care, have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!